eto pa, narinig natin na mayroong Oplan pursuit. Pakita na lang na inaamin at pinagmamalaki ni General Torre. Sabi niya, hindi ito spur of the moment. Huwag kayong maniwalang spur of the moment dahil matagal ko nang pinaplano ang Operation Pursuit. Ayan. Sige. Pwede natin ipakita. Ayan. Laksan lang po yung volume.
Paano yung, kasi kailangan niyo po talaga siyang ilipad sa daig, no matter what, on that day. So paano po ibinabasa inyo ni PNP Chief Marbil na, how did he say that to you? Na no matter what, we need to fly the former president to The Hague and we need to implement the ICC arrest warrant.
Arrest him and bring him to The Hague. Yun lang. Simple as that. Arrest him and bring him to The Hague. Sagot ko lang, sabi bigyan mo ko aeroplano. O di ayos.
And then the rest, you planned everything.
Pero matagal na yan eh. Ang plano na yan, matagal na yan. Hindi yan spur of the moment eh. Matagal na yan. And nagkataon lang na talagang yun, the opportunity arose.
Ayan, maliwanag na maliwanag. May Operation Pursuit, sabi nga ni General Torre. Matagal na yan. Hindi yan spur of the moment. Inutos ni General Marbil, ang Chief PNP, and the operation was planned as early as January 2025. So hindi natin pwedeng sabihin na madalian at waring nakita ko bit-bit ni General Torre nung pumunta siya dito sa first hearing dahil pinagmamalaki nga niya na napakakapal nung plano niya. Ang Oplan Pursuit 80 pages. At maliwanag na ang PNO had prepared a secret plan, Oplan Pursuit, to detain PRRD, including scenarios of arresting him either in Manila or Davao. It also contained maps of properties of the former president, his partner, his allies, with arrows labeling the nearby streets where the PNP could access the property. Sana hihingi ako ng kopya nitong 80-page plan called Operation Pursuit. At gusto ko rin sana malaman, katulad ng sambayanan, kung kailan nag-umpisa to. Dahil obviously, itong Operation Pursuit was concocted weeks, if not months before March 11. Panay ang sabi nila, nagulantang daw sila nung dumating nung March 11 ng umaga. Pero mukhang hindi naman yata totoo to. Hindi naman yung Interpol o yung diffusion notice na dumating ng March 11 ng 3 a.m. ang nag-umpisa nitong lahat. Kundi, nung nakaraang taon pa, Mayo pa lang, klarong-klaro na.
Madam Chair, may I move that this committee issue a subpoena ducis tecum to the PNP to produce that document?
Madam Chair, before you rule on that, did the Cabinet Secretaries also submit already the whole video? Kasi they said last time na they will submit their version of the whole video. Kasi I agree with Senator Bato that any piece of evidence that is not confidential or does not violate national security should be handed over so that we can be fair to them. Diba? We don't want to come out with reports then sasabihin nila, ay hindi yan yung nasa buong video, ay hindi yan yung nasa plano. Diba? So, maybe we can request them and then if they don't give it, then we subpoena it. But I submit to you, Madam Chair.
Eto